This is a game changer in the hair industry. Hey you guys, so today I am excited to share what I have gotten in this Amazon box, and I bet you're probably wondering why my hair is wet, but we are gonna open this box right now so I can show you what it is that I purchased. So I got this off of Amazon, and this is the Revlon Pro Collection Salon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer, and I'm going to be trying this out for the first time with you guys, obviously unpackaging it, and we're going to see what the hype is all about. I've seen several different kinds of hair dryers like this. I got this one here. I'm just gonna put all this here for a second. This thing is huge, like look at how big it is. But I have been seeing a lot of people use these, and I want to know what the hype is about. I am a cosmetologist, so I know that some people want to have that that blow dry style look that you get like from a salon when you get your hair done. So we're gonna test this baby out and see how it works. So far I'm loving how big it is, so I know you're gonna get volume using this. Let's see, does it have any switches? Okay, so the switches are here, and I guess you just rotate. So we are going to be using it on the hot setting. So it has the cool setting, the low setting, and the high setting. I'm going to go ahead and use it on the high setting because we want heat, so that way we can dry the hair, and not only that, we can get the hair to look nice and silky instead of like frizzy, if that makes any sense. So let me just plug this in real quick. So I forgot to turn on this light, so if it looks brighter, it's only because I turned on my softbox. What I'm going to be using today to protect my hair is the Wella Thermal Image, and this is the heat protectant spray. I've been using this for years. When I went to beauty college, we would always recommend this to clients who used a lot of heat on their hair, and I still, to this day, I still use it. I love it. It's a great product. So I'm just gonna put that in. Okay, so in case you guys didn't know, I just recently dyed my hair. I talked about it on my last video, and I'm actually getting ready for bed right now. So I didn't want to get the pillows full of hair dye because my pillowcases are white. So I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry it for tonight, and then after that I'll be able to sleep with my hair wet if I want to. But it's just the first couple of nights that I like to blow dry my hair when I do wash it at night, just because of the fact that I don't want to stain like my pillows with whatever hair dye I use. So anyways, let's go ahead and jump right in. so far it's done a really good job. It's been what, like 5 minutes, and my hair is really nice and sleek. I do have like some frizziness going on right here in this area, a little bit here, but nothing too major. And I love that it gave me like the flip that I like when I flip my hair in with a round brush. So definitely a lot more easier. So now I'm gonna take my next section down, and this is usually how I blow dry my hair anyway. I go into 1-2 sections, and then I'll section down the middle, blow dry these areas, and then I'll section here, blow dry this way, and then blow dry this way. So you'll see me as I go. So that's the next part, and I did do it on the higher setting. So the first set of, not the first set, but like the first part that I let down and I blow dried, I did do it on the low setting. This one I did it on the high setting, and I feel like it did like smooth the hair a lot more, and I feel like it dried it a lot faster. The only thing is it's like super loud, which I don't mind. It doesn't matter to me. A blow dryer is loud even when you use it. Even when you use a blow dryer, you know, on a regular, I feel like it's not a big deal. I do have my little wet brush here, and this one I got it at Ross from the brand Kala, C-A-L-A or whatever, Kala. And I'm just gonna section off the middle because I do like the middle to be done last. Okay, and then I'm just gonna take this part here. Let's turn this baby on. so this is the finished hair tutorial. It looks so good. It feels so good. It looks super shiny. I don't know. This product is amazing. I definitely feel like this is a game changer in the hair industry or whatever, but I definitely don't recommend using this in a salon just because of the fact that you cannot sanitize it, but I do recommend it to stylists who have those customers that like to have that blowout look that they get in a salon, like a salon quality blowout. I definitely recommend this for those customers. I definitely recommend that you should recommend this to your customers. If you are a licensed cosmetologist who does hair at home, this is an amazing product. Like, my hair feels super good, super silky. Like, it looks amazing. Like, it looks like I use a round brush and a blow dryer. It looks exactly how I blow dry it with a round brush and blow dryer. This is something that I'm super glad that I invested in, just because of the fact that I'm a person who likes to have the blow dry style kind of look, especially for work. When I work on my work days, I like for my hair to look nice and styled, and I don't want to go through the hassle of having to blow dry my hair all the time. Although I do it sometimes, but a lot of the times when I don't do it, I will pin it back into 2 different styles, and I wear it like that. But I think that with this, I will probably definitely be wearing my hair styled a little bit more. I do recommend this. This is definitely a 10 out of 1 through 10, 10 being the best. This is an awesome product. So again, I don't recommend for in salon use, but I do recommend if you do like blowouts, then I would definitely pick this up, because you can just do it yourself. One thing I will say is that this does get really hot on the highest setting, so be careful not to burn your hands when touching the hair, because your hair is hot from, you know, blow drying it. But other than that, oh my gosh, I'm just obsessed with this. This is super pretty. I am ready for another video for tomorrow, so I won't even have to do much to my hair tomorrow. Maybe flat iron it a little here and there, but other than that, it looks super good. I picked it up on Amazon. I don't know if it was $39.99 or $49.99, but I'll go ahead and link it down below in the description box, so make sure that you check that out. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here. Comment down below. I love to hear your feedback. I love to interact with you guys through YouTube. Please comment down below, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Thanks.